So here we are guys with our iPhone SE 2020 unboxing. So let's get started.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
So let's unbox it. Oh my god, that's amazing. Okay, so designed by Apple California, and here's the main box content. So let's keep it aside. So here we get the slow charger. Yes, though it supports fast charging and wireless charging, but still Apple did a conjuicy here. So here we get this thing, and yes, this. So here I bought a 128 GB variant. So here it consists the AirPods, lightning connector, lightning to USB cable, and USB adapter. And yeah, you can see the price here. Well, okay. Here is some paperwork. Here's Protect Red, and okay, so SIM ejecting tool is given here, some Apple stickers, and some पढ़ाई लिखाई का काम. So let's switch on this legend. Look the finish. It's gorgeous. Okay, so it's switched on. First of all, the most satisfying thing I'm gonna do right now is to peel it off. तो चलो इसके कपड़े उतारते हैं. So yes, the build quality is pretty nice. Well, according to every reviewer, the build quality is really tough. You can see the glass back, so just handle it with care. And okay, so yes, it's with A13 Bionic chip. So now if we talk about its screen ratio, well, its display is for about 4.7 inches. Well, अगर आप iPhone 7 user रह चुके हैं, then yes, it's exactly as same as that of iPhone 7. So you can pretty much experience it. So yes, here was the grand unboxing of this iPhone SE 2020 variant. और हम आगे भी ऐसे इससे रिलेटेड और कुछ Q&As लाते रहेंगे, interesting videos, and we'll bring more kind of videos related to its features, pros and cons, and stuff like that. So till then, stay tuned with IR Chiche.